Hey everybody, it's Chris, Procrastinator's Garage. It's actually Saturday now, July, what is it, 28th or something. No. I'm actually going to throw like a Duraglass underneath there. I'm talking about HPR. I do miss HPR if you're still watching my videos. You know, I hope you're doing good. Yeah, I didn't turn out too bad using that fender. A little off right there, but you know, not bad. You can see my shitty welds. It's a bunch of little spot welds. So I'm gonna start working on the other side. Then when Matt gets here, he's working a little bit today. Got a cash job. It's actually a job I applied for too, doing yard work for this guy. He just bought this house, I guess, from what Matt said. It has like $8 an hour. You get paid at the end of every day. You know, mow lawn, that kind of stuff. Today, I guess he gets to unload boulders out of a truck, which I wouldn't be able to do that with my scoliosis. But yeah, we're gonna try and hack and pack this side. He's actually pretty impressed with how the other side turned out. This side's gonna be tricky too. It's all bent underneath. That's gonna have to all be pulled out. Some bitch. So let's see. Not really sure what else ooh, head rush. Sit down. See there, I almost passed out. When I was kneeling down, I stood up too fast. Wish I had something for you guys to look at. I don't feel like being on camera today. Let's see, Jess is having surgery August 13th. But yeah, I applied for that job too. It was on Craigslist. And he never got back to me. But you know, he was impressed with Matt because Matt, he's the one, my friend that went to Stevens Point for forestry. So, you know, Matt knows how to make trails, and you know, he did that stuff. You know, make fire breaks and you know, hiking trails, and yeah, so he'll be good at that. You know, moving boulders around and stuff. When you saw him, he's like freaking over 6 foot. He don't look very strong, but he's actually pretty strong. But I got some more calls. You know, last week I got like 3 calls with interest. 2 of them sounded really good, like I was gonna get the job. But I haven't heard back from them. The one guy called actually Thursday. Jess answered the phone, and it was a gold. He wanted a gold detail. Well, actually, he wanted shampoo too, but you know, I told him $150. I gave him the car price, and he said he was gonna make another phone call, and you know, he called me back. You know, if he wanted me to do the job. Well, he called me back. And then, you know, I told him I was available, you know, anytime. I can do it overnight, drop it off in the evening, you know, pick it up 9, 10 o'clock the next morning. But he said that wouldn't work for him, and he couldn't get a ride. He had to talk to his wife then, so now I'm waiting for him to call me back for the 3rd time. Yeah, he got that ad coming out on August 11th, which is still a ways away. Yeah, I haven't been watching any YouTube videos probably in 2 days. I know yes, last night I was just got home, just didn't feel like watching videos. Kinda, sometimes you gotta take a break from it, I think. But then it sucks when I go back and I gotta go back and watch the videos I missed to catch up, kinda. Sometimes I'll just skip, you know, to that one, and then, you know, I may go back and see what the titles are and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut that out, take the gas door off here, and cut that out with the wire wheel, and then see what I can get. I still got a wheel well section out of this fender. If I can use, probably, you know, that should work pretty good. This part's kind of all bent up, so we got this good section back here. I'm sure it will work great. So this is what he bought for Bondo. So it comes with a little wire backing. So actually I might, yeah, I'll have to use that on this hole. I just didn't want to stick a hole. Oh, you can't even see in there. But there is a hole right there. But we're gonna get it from the trunk, and I was thinking of just using the fiberglass mat I have and some fiberglass resin and pour in there, you know, and then a little rubberized undercoat, you know, all underneath in there. So. Oh, yeah. So it was funny, I was working on this quarter yesterday, and I was kneeling down, and then I stood up, and all I could do was put my hand here and a hand there, and I couldn't move. I had to ask Matt to go get the little wheelie chair and wheel it under my butt, because yeah, there it is. And because I couldn't even move to go sit down. I'm kind of feeling that way again. I'm more lightheaded than yesterday, which is not liking. But get the fans going in here. It's pretty hot outside. Not sure on the temperature. It is 74 in here. It's almost 75. It's got to be over 80 outside, 80, 85. It is 12:20. I got here probably a half hour ago. He was at my house at like 8:30, dropped his car off, took the Blazer to that job. So, yeah, had to buy some gloves. I spent like 34 bucks on my own. Oh, I bought gloves. I bought the reducer. Which one's this? Yeah. I guess this is what I pay the job. Okay. It's not focusing. JR506. A quart of that is $10.89. Wait a minute. That seems pretty cheap. Is that pretty cheap for that stuff? 10 bucks? We only paid 10 bucks for this paint. It's emerald green pearl coat. March 26, 2012 was, I think, when this was mixed. She's been sitting for a little while, but yeah, this will be plenty. Just a dark green metallic. Probably if I had on better quality, I got it on the super low quality. Yeah, then I got, you know, 2 of these 36 grit Velcro paper. Apparently they only carry Norton at Sam's. I asked for 3M. Well, actually, yeah, I had to go to the other parts store and the Auto Value and buy this stuff. This was 24 bucks, 25 bucks. So got some 320. That's the old primer. I don't know, it's old. But I'm gonna use it up. We'll see, I'll mix a little bit, see what it does. If it all globs up into a big mess, then I'll just go buy a small quart. You know, and so yeah, some old rubberized undercoating. This can might still a quarter can. This can's actually full, never been used, so stuff I had, you know, this is the stuff I've put on the hood and the rough spots that he ground down the other day. Actually, I'll show you little spots. And what I'll do, you know, is it'll get scuffed. It'll get scuffed up, and I'll prime over all this. I think I'm gonna throw a little Duraglass in there. Little DG. We'll call it DG. Not sure in this hole what he wants to do with this. Try and weld a patch in there, or I don't know if I can reach my hand from the inside. Can't get it from the underside without taking out the this inner panel, which looks like a pain. So yeah, it'd be nice if I could get like that wire in there and throw some Duraglass in there. Same thing with this hole here. Should just take that trim off. I don't know why he didn't. But yeah. Okay, I rambled on enough. Okay, yeah. Not feeling too good today. I don't think I'm gonna get much done if I keep feeling dizzy like this. Oh, Jess's dad went into the hospital Thursday morning. He was lethargic. His hemoglobin was low. Took him to St. Joseph's Hospital in Chippewa. That's where Jess has been going, having good luck. She's been, you know, well, the one doctor, the second time when she went in for her diverticulitis, the doctor was pissing me off because he was talking about Obamacare and all that crap. The nurse was agreeing with him. I'm like, we're not here to talk about your political beliefs and stuff. I'm here for you to treat my wife. You know, that was just ridiculous. The doctor that Jess has for her surgery and stuff, you know, they're through the Marshfield Clinic system, and you know, he's really nice. Well, her dad's name's Bernie, okay, so I can just say Bernie. Bernie's been in that nursing home in Cornell and for a while now, a couple months. He had to have part of his foot I want to say, from there down. And you know, he's been having a little problems with it, but well, then, you know, he goes to the hospital Thursday because his hemoglobin's low, and they said he was lethargic. Seemed like he didn't realize what was going on. Well, I guess apparently yesterday, they were supposed to release him yesterday back to the nursing thing, you know. It's a nursing home, but he's only there temporarily, you know, for rehabilitation type, which I'm not happy with. They're not rehabilitating him. He's not really getting any better. So, losing my train of thought now. So now the doctors at the Chippewa Hospital, St. Joseph's, are messing with his foot. And I guess just said yesterday that they set his healing back of his foot another month. So, yeah, and Levon, you know, which is Jess's stepmother, was just bitching. She's pissed. You know, it's like they had him drugged up, he was in and out of consciousness, so, you know, they could do whatever they want, you know, to him. I mean, he can't say no. He would have said, no, leave my freaking foot alone, you know. I'm not here for my foot. You know, and he has a foot doctor. It's like, you know, this hospital doesn't contact his actual foot doctor and say, hey, you know, we should do this and that, you know, and get approval. No, you know, they just do whatever the hell they want. That's just crazy. You know, I don't know if they can sue him now, you know, for doing unnecessary procedures, because who's going to pay for that? You know, they're not, you know, they can't pay for it. You know, he is a veteran, but the VA's, that's a joke in itself. You know, I don't know. Well, I'm going to stop here because this is going to be a really long video. So, I'll come back when I got some progress. Bye. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm back. Figured I'd do a little video of cutting. Let's see if we can get this in here. Alrighty. I hate this tool sometimes. You don't want to cut. Like butter. That I'm gonna have to cut with cutting wheel, I guess. Alright, it's Chris of the Procrastinator's Garage. Gotta make it quick because the battery's dying, I think, in the camera. Got a mess. Lots of scrap metals. Lots of trimming. Lots of cutting. A little bit of bending. Boy, why is this camera not focusing? I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so I got this bent over. But this camera's really pissing me off. Got a little bit of gap in there. A little bit of gap there. I'll push up on that, hammer it around. We'll grind all this off later. I just want to get her welded in. So yeah, that's overlapped a little bit up in there. Then right in here I got her tight. She wraps around, so a little better hole shot of her. That's pretty nice. I'm not, you know. For a hack and pack, it's a pretty good hack and pack. The bumper cover on this side didn't line up as good, so he's off a little bit. Maybe I can hammer that around. Little bend there anyhow. I can bend that around a little more once I get her welded in. Yeah, I mean, the color meets up nice with the bumper cover. So, alrighty, I'll be back in a little bit. Well, here it is. Welded her in. It's not welded. That's a little lower, but I'll hammer that up later. We'll get grind all this paint off, Duraglass it. It's going to be the end of it tonight. So yeah, everybody have a good one, and don't procrastinate.